got a new Verizon SIM card in the mail. And this year, digital eSIMs might be the buzz, but the physical SIM is still the most reliable way to swap your service between devices in seconds. And today, I'm showing you the Gold Contact method to insert and activate your card without a single call to customer service. And first, of course, let's get the card in the tray. So power off your device before swapping cards, that's mandatory. After that, use a SIM tool or a paperclip to pop up the tray, usually found on the side or top of your phone. Align the gold contacts facing down and look for that angled notch to ensure it's perfectly flush. If you're using a Verizon Jetpack, the slot might be behind the battery. So push it in until it clicks, reinsert the tray, and power it back up. Once you see bars, you aren't done yet. You need to link the card to your account. So open my Verizon app, or go to the website, both work. Scan the QR code on the credit card-sized plastic the SIM came in. This automatically inputs the 20-digit SIM ID. If you're moving an existing number, you can follow the on-screen prompt to swap device. You'll receive a text on your old device to confirm the move. And after that, just hit verify, and within 5 minutes, your new SIM card will go live. And you're officially back on the grid. If this SIM guide helped you skip the tech support line, smash like and subscribe.